Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 178 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Smashbox Super Fanned Out Mascara. And I actually recently got this in an Ulta sample bag, but it retails for $19 in the full-size version, and it claims to give that false lash look with length, volume, and lift with no clumping. So all of that sounds great to me. It's been a while since I tried out a kind of high-end mascara. I've tried out those dollar store mascaras recently, but nothing that's really blown me away in a while. Oh, so I really like the shape of this applicator. It's different than other applicators I've ever tried, and I like how short the bristles are. So let's just go ahead and apply this. It looks like I have no eyelashes right now. Smashbox is one of those brands that I have not really tried out much from at all, but I always hear such great things about it, and I have so many products from Smashbox that I really want to try eventually. But wow, this mascara is applying amazingly. Okay, wow. After just one coat of mascara, my eyelashes are like dramatically different. They're so completely dark, completely black. I got mascara down here, but I have not gotten any on my upper eyelid, and that's always such an issue for me. But wow, my lashes are looking so lifted, so long and volumized already after just one coat, and they're not clumping together. They call this Super Fan. It's supposed to fan out your lashes, and I love the look of like very separated eyelashes, and this is really giving me that separated, fanned out look. Let's go in with another layer. Also, I did not curl my eyelashes. That way I'd really be able to see the true lift. I love this applicator. It's so easy to work with and so effective. Oh my gosh. It really does give me that false lashes look. All right, let's apply it to the lower lashes. I really appreciate how not messy this mascara is. I love that it's not getting all over my eyelid. But oh my gosh, does this look awesome! Like my eyelashes look so volumized, like more volumized than I can usually get with tons and tons of coats of mascara, and this is after only 2 coats. It looks so good. It was so quick and easy to really build up this false eyelashes look, and there really is no clumping. The eyelashes are kind of sticking together, so they're not super like individually separated, but they don't look like clumps of eyelashes either. It still looks like I have a lot of eyelashes, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my other eye and come back with my final thoughts. Okay, my mascara is applied, and I really love this mascara. I feel like it makes my eyelashes look more volumized than I even thought was possible. But not only that, I'm able to achieve it with like very minimal effort and time, because it really only takes like 1 or 2 coats to achieve this level of length and volume and lift. Like I don't need to curl my eyelashes at all with this mascara. So there's another way that I'm saving time with this. You know, I can't say enough like great things about this. I'm so excited for this to become my new daily mascara. And if you've tried this out, I'd love to know your thoughts on it. Like, do you love it as much as I do? If you're interested in trying this out, I will link it down below. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.